Hey guys, today I would like to show you 5 typical mistakes that kill the mix before the release. Number 5. It's a wrong gain staging. When your mix is too hot and you export it, you simply export with the clips. There is no headroom for the right dynamics for your song, and even your plugins won't work properly. Be sure to avoid that. So how to keep it? Launch VU meter on your mix bus and try to keep around 0. In that case, you will have enough headroom to keep your mix in safe zone. And of course your plugins will work properly and mix will be nice and dynamic. 4. Too much focus on processing your tracks in solo mode. Guys, no one will hear your bass, kick, bottom snare microphone or hi-hat microphone in solo mode. Be sure that they work properly together. On our courses, I saw like the guy spent like almost hour just processing the kick alone, like one of the microphones, and then he just simply launched rooms, overhead, snare, and that kick start to sound completely different. Number 3. Too many plugins. Every one of us using the plugins, some of them make him just simply louder and our brain recognizes that, oh, it's better. But when you match the volume, it doesn't sound so good. My advice, if you're launching the plugin and if you are not sure if it's getting better, simply turn it off. Just leave the plugins that you are sure that getting better. And always match the gain. Do you like what you see on this channel? Check the links below. You'll find information about my workshops, Q&A sessions, and other interesting events. Number 2. Making loudness of your reference track quieter to match volume of your mix. Should be completely opposite. You should make your mix louder to compare it with reference. For me, it's a really huge mistake because finally, when you release your record on Spotify, YouTube, or whatever, nobody will go down with other recordings volume. If you want to really compare with your references, try to use some kind of neutral limiter and make the loudness as your reference track.
Lost the meaning of a stay. Now rivers run slower. The wind's gone down. These visions get lost in your head, nowhere to be found, nowhere.
When you make your mix louder, you hear more precise all the details that are more in the background. Then you can hear really precisely how it sounds at the end. And number 1, wrong balance. No matter how nice, smooth, beautiful you process your tracks, if the balance is wrong, people won't like it. Try to listen to your favorite songs or the songs in similar genre you are mixing and focus what you can hear on the foreground, what is on the background. In most modern productions, vocals and drums or rhythmic section is on the foreground. The other stuff is in the background. And then think about your song and how you want to present it to the people. The balance is the king. Leave the comment below what the biggest problem you have in your mixes, and I will try to help you solve it on this channel. Hope you enjoyed the video, give a like and subscribe. See you!